Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're looking at the afterburst show functionality. So as we've looked at in previous 2-minute tips videos, there's a lot of ways and opportunities to tweak how the camera acts in different circumstances. So we looked at how the camera acts after you've deleted an image. We've looked at how the camera acts after you've taken an image. And this is very similar, and this is how the camera acts after you've taken a burst of shots. So this allows you to set up which image the camera will show after you've taken that burst of images using continuous shutter release. So you can either select that the camera will display the first image in that burst or the last image in that burst sequence. To set this up, you need to go into the menus and the playback menu, and third from the bottom is afterburst show. And in here you'll find the two options to show the first image or the last image. This really is a personal preference, whether you scroll forwards or backwards through your images, and it's less of an issue these days, perhaps because you've got the ability to scroll through images and bursts of images quite quickly using the touch screen, so it's much easier to navigate your way through images using that touch screen rather than perhaps using the forward and backwards buttons as we've perhaps had to do in the past. So how have you got yours set? Let me know in the comments below. It'd be great to see how, and also why do you have it set up that way? Is it just habit, or is it that's the way it came out of the box? I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell below and you'll be notified of future videos. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in a future video.